a blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourselves as we embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. This time, we will be studying the 10 items of mathematics through the reviewer set 5e. Stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Annie, Beatrice, and Corinne want to buy a 3,600 pesos Kingston Fury Beast DDR4 desktop memory. If Beatrice agrees to pay twice as much as Corinne, and Annie agrees to pay 3 times as much as Beatrice, how much must Beatrice pay? A. 400 pesos. B. 800 pesos. C. 1,200 pesos. D. 2,400 pesos. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To solve this problem, we need to determine how much Beatrice must pay, given the conditions described. Let's denote the amount Corinne pays as C. According to the problem, Beatrice pays twice as much as Corinne. Therefore, Beatrice pays 2C. Annie pays 3 times as much as Beatrice. Therefore, Annie pays 3, by 2C, equals 6C. The total cost of the Kingston Fury Beast DDR4 desktop memory is 3,600 pesos. The sum of the amounts paid by Annie, Beatrice, and Corinne must equal 3,600 pesos. C, add, 2C, add, 6C, equals, 3,600. Combining the terms, we get 9C, equals, 3,600. Solving for C, equals to, 3,600, over, 9, equals to, 400. Now, we know that Beatrice pays 2C. 2C, equals to, 2 times 400, equals to 800. Therefore, Beatrice must pay 800 pesos. The correct answer is B. 800 pesos. When a number x is divided by 5, the remainder is 1. When x is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. Which of the following is a possible value for x? A. 28. B. 36. C. 40. D. 57. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To solve for a possible value of x given the conditions, we need to establish the congruences based on the remainders. X as 1, mod 5. X as 0, mod 4. Let's break down what these conditions imply. X as 1, mod 5, means, x, equals to, 5k, plus 1 for some integer k. X as 0, mod 4, means, x, equals to, 4m for some integer m. Since x needs to satisfy both conditions simultaneously, we can substitute x, equals, 4m into the first congruence. 4m as 1, mod 5. This implies 4m, equals to, 5n, plus 1 for some integer n. Rearranging, we get 4m, subtract by, 5n, equals to, 1. This is a linear Diophantine equation. We need to find integer solutions for m and n. To solve this, we need the coefficients 4 and 5 to be co-prime, which they are, so there exists a solution. To find particular solutions, we can test successive integer values for n and check when for m as 1, mod 5. We test values of m such that for m as 1, mod 5. For m as 1, mod 5. 4 times 1 as 4, mod 5. 4 times 2, as 3, mod 5. 4 times 3, as 2, mod 5. 4 times 4, as 1, mod 5. Therefore, m equals 4 is a particular solution. So, x equals 2, 4m equals 2, 4 times 4 equals to 16. We can write the general solution using the periodicity. X equals 16 plus 20k for integer k, since the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Next, we check the given options to see which satisfies. X equals to 16, add 20k. A28, not of the form 16, add 20k. B36, not of the form 16, add 20k. C40, this is 16, add 20 times 1, add 4, equals to 16, add 20, add 4, equals to 40, which does not fit as 20, add 20k, add 1. D57, this is 16, add 20 times 2, add 1, equals to 16, add 40, add 1, equals 57. The correct answer is x equals to 57. So, the correct answer is D57. It takes 42 men to clean the building in 6 days. At this rate, how many men will be needed to clean the same building in 9 days? A24, B26, C28, D30. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. X equals to 42 by 6 by 9 equals to 28. Inverse variation. 42 by 6 equals to 9x. So, the correct answer is C28. Which of the following sets of ordered pairs defines relation as function? A. 2, 3, by 6, 7, by 10, 11. B. -5, 6, by -5, -5, by -2, 13. C. 1, 4, by 3, 4, by 1, 8. D. -3, 3, by 5, 7, by 5, 3. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A relation is defined as a function if every input, or first element of the ordered pairs, typically denoted as x, is associated with exactly one output, or second element of the ordered pairs, typically denoted as y. This means that no two ordered pairs in the set can have the same first element with different second elements. Let's examine each option to determine if it defines a function. A. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. Each first element, 2, 6, 10, is unique. This set defines a function because each input is paired with exactly one output. B. 5, 6, 5 5, 2, 13. The first element -5 is repeated but paired with different outputs, 6 and -5. This set does not define a function because the input -5 is associated with more than one output. See 1, 4, 3, 4, 1, 8. The first element 1 is repeated but paired with different outputs, 4 and 8. This set does not define a function because the input 1 is associated with more than one output. D 3, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3. The first element 5 is repeated but paired with different outputs, 7 and 3. This set does not define a function because the input 5 is associated with more than one output. Therefore, the correct answer is A. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. The domain of the function f, x, equals 3x, minus 2, over, 2x plus 1 is A. All real numbers. B. X, over x is not equal to negative 12. C. X, over x is not equal to 21. D. X, over x is not equal to 0. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To determine the domain of the function f, x, equals 3x, minus 2, over, 2x plus 1, we need to identify the values of x for which the function is defined. A rational function is undefined when its denominator is 0 because division by 0 is undefined. The denominator of f, x, is 2x plus 1. We set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x equals to negative 1. X equals to negative 1/2. Thus, the function f, x, equals to 3x, minus 2, over 2x, plus 1 is undefined at x equals to negative 1/2. Therefore, the domain of f, x, includes all real numbers except x equals to, negative 1/2. The correct answer is B. X, over x is not equal to negative 12. If x is a perfect square number, what is the next larger perfect square number? A. X plus 2 square root x plus 1. B. X2 plus 1. C. X2 2x plus 1. D. X2 plus 2x plus 1. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To find the next larger perfect square number after x, where x is a perfect square. Square root x plus 1, squared. X plus 2 square root x plus 1. So the correct answer is A. X plus 2 square root x plus 1. Jeffrey, 27 years old, has a daughter 7 years of age. In how many years will it be so that he will be twice as old as his daughter? A. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 15. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let x be the number of years from now when Jeffrey will be twice as old as his daughter. Jeffrey's current age is 27 years, and his daughter's current age is 7 years. In x years, Jeffrey's age will be 27 plus x, and his daughter's age will be 7 plus x. We need to find x such that Jeffrey's age will be twice his daughter's age. This can be expressed by the equation 27 plus x equals 2, 7 plus x. First, expand the right side of the equation. 27 plus x equals 14 plus 2x. Next, isolate x by subtracting x from both sides of the equation. 27 equals 14 plus x. Then, subtract 14 from both sides to solve for x. 27 14 equals x. X equals 13. Thus, in 13 years, Jeffrey will be twice as old as his daughter. To verify, in 13 years, Jeffrey's age will be 27 plus 13 equals 40. His daughter's age will be 7 plus 13 equals 20. Indeed, 40 equals 2 times 20. Therefore, the correct answer is B 13. How many liters of milk with 2% butterfat must be mixed with 10 liters of milk with 5% butterfat to obtain the mixture of milk 4% butterfat? A 2 liters. B 3 liters. C 4 liters. D 5 liters. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To solve this problem, we can set up an equation based on the amounts and percentages of butterfat in the milks being mixed. Let x be the amount of 2% butterfat milk needed. The total amount of butterfat in the 2% milk is 0.02x liters. The total amount of butterfat in the 10 liters of 5% milk is 0.05 times 10 equals 0.5 liters. The final mixture will have x plus 10 liters of milk with 4% butterfat, so the total butterfat in the mixture should be 0.04, x plus 10, liters. Setting up the equation for the butterfat content, we get 0.02x plus 0.5 equals 0.04, x plus 10. Solving for x. 0.02x plus 0.5 equals 0.04x plus 0.4. 0.5 0.4 equals 0.04x 0.02x. 0.1 equals 0.02x. X equals 0.1 slash 0.02. X equals 5. Thus, the amount of 2% butterfat milk needed is 5 liters. The correct answer is D 5 liters. A 20 liters of 15% salt solution and 15 liters of 10% salt solution is to be poured to a container originally containing 25 liters of 20% salt solution. Find the percentage of salt in the resulting solution. A 15.83%. B 17.5%. C 20%. D 22.5%. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To find the percentage of salt in the resulting solution, we first calculate the amount of salt in each of the original solutions, then combine the solutions and calculate the new percentage of salt. Calculate the amount of salt in each solution. 20 liters of 15% salt solution. Salt equals 20 liters times 0.15 equals 3 liters of salt. 15 liters of 10% salt solution. Salt equals 15 liters times 0.10 equals 1.5 liters of salt. 25 liters of 20% salt solution. Salt equals 25 liters times 0.20 equals 5 liters of salt. Combine the solutions. Total volume of the resulting solution. 20 liters plus 15 liters plus 25 liters equals 60 liters. Total amount of salt in the resulting solution. 3 liters plus 1.5 liters plus 5 liters equals 9.5 liters. Calculate the percentage of salt in the resulting solution. Percentage of salt. 9.5 liters of salt, over 60 liters of solution, multiply by 100, equals to, 9.5, over, 60, multiply by, 115.83. Thus, the percentage of salt in the resulting solution is a 15.83%. The length of a rectangle is 4 centimeters more than 3 times of its width. If the length is increased by 2 centimeters and the width is decreased by 1 centimeter, the area is decreased by 11 centimeters. Find the dimensions of the two original rectangle. A 19 centimeters and 5 centimeters. B 22 centimeters and 6 centimeters. C 25 centimeters and 7 centimeters. D 28 centimeters and 8 centimeters. In the next 5 seconds, select the best response from the available options. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's denote the width of the original rectangle as WCM. According to the problem, the length of the original rectangle is 3W plus 4cm. The area of the original rectangle can be calculated as area equals length times width equals 3W plus 4W. When the length is increased by 2 centimeters and the width is decreased by 1 centimeter, the new dimensions become new length equals 3W plus 4 plus 2 equals 3W plus 6. New width equals W1. The area of the modified rectangle is new area equals 3W plus 6, W1. According to the problem, the area of the modified rectangle is 11 square centimeters less than the area of the original rectangle. 3W plus 4, W11 equals 3W plus 6, W1. Let's expand and simplify this equation. 3W plus 4, W11 equals 3W plus 6, W1. 3W squared plus 4W11 equals 3W. 3W squared plus 4W 3W6. Subtract 3W squared from both sides. 4W11 equals 3W6. Subtract 3W squared from both sides. W11 equals 6. Add 11 to both sides. W equals 5. Now, substitute W equals 5 back into the expression for the length. Length equals 3W plus 4 equals 3, 5, plus 4 equals 15 plus 4 equals 19. So, the original dimensions of the rectangle are length equals 19 cm. Width equals 5 cm. The correct answer is A 19 centimeters and 5 centimeters.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on mathematics. Reviewer, if you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel.